All right, let's talk about this Kreg pocket hole jig. This is what you're going to use to join two pieces of wood together without glue. You can use this in really tight spaces. I've used this for a variety of projects. I'll show you one of my projects here in just a second. You can actually see how I used it. But in general, this is made by Kreg, which is a very popular brand for these types of things. And this comes with the drill bit that you're going to need to use to screw in and out of this. Basically what you're going to do is, just to give you a quick little demo, you're going to use this to join two pieces of wood together at a right angle. And you're going to put this in here like this. You'll clamp this down. And then what this allows you to do, see if I can get in there, is you're going to drill in. And so your, I'll show you on the screen right now, what you're going to have is basically a connection point that lies underneath the surface here. And as a result, it's going to look good and be something that joins two pieces together in a very, very sturdy way. Now you can see that it comes with not only the pocket hole jig set or piece of plastic that allows you to do this, but also the correctly sized drill bit that you're going to need. I built this table that I've shown you about 7 years ago. Every once in a while I just pop in and tighten the screws, but other than that, it holds fantastically and you cannot see. And that's really the purpose of the pocket hole jig.